Belmont here on PCTV. This is like 67 Ranchero right here. Get a better look at it. The blue on this thing is just amazing. Tons of people everywhere. Wagon. So they had to put the sheet metal where the seat wells were. So there's all kinds of storage behind the front seats here. So yeah, that's actually where the back seat would have gone. And that's where your footwells would have been in a wagon. They just used the same basic sheet metal or body stamping for the Ranchero. Beautiful example. I love this blue. Just absolutely gorgeous. It's got it look like factory wheels on it. I'm going 67. Please correct me if I'm wrong. It's a 390. It is a, oh sorry, bud. It's a 67. Oh, damn, I'm getting better with my Fords. Dang. Right, look at this Cobra here. Very nice example. Looks like a Super Performance. I don't think it's a factory 5. It's pretty darn clean. Let's see what we got here. Oh, you know what? I'm thinking it's a factory 5. Once you get under the hood and look, you start seeing how everything's stressed out. It's a factory 5, but it is Ford powered. And there you go. Very sweet. And then right in front of it, you go to the next evolution, the GT350. Beautiful. I think it's 66. And it is a 66. There's your badging. And if you guys all, you know the old story. Shelby said, walk from the back door of our shop to the door of the next shop and tell me how many steps it is. And he said 350 feet. And so that's why it's called the GT350. Look at that. Love the belts. Everything original Cobra steering wheel. Very cool. Take a quick break. This is looking like a Packard here. Suave 53. Full custom. French antennas. Nice satin laydown. Traditional. Yeah, it's not a Packard, it's a Mercury. It's a 53. I was wrong. Loving the French headlights. I like the work on the hood. Loving the roll pan on the bumper. Overall, just very, very cool. Sweet ride. So right next to it though, we have ourselves a 53. 210. Very cool overall. Gotta love the slider back windows on these. I always thought that was a really cool feature on these. And you got the Millennial anti-theft device on it. Doesn't call the owner. Overall though, really beautiful. Guess it's a fleet line. Pretty original car. Yeah, it's a 53. You got rid of the split window. Love the body lines on these. Very cool. We got a Sweet Threads bus here. Children's Boutique, I guess it goes with the shop right there. All right, we got Novocaine out of Montebello. Big old fat IROX on this thing. Black Widows Club. He's got the old school lace on padded steering cover. 22s. 72 with a 6-cylinder. Boy, that's a first. But you know, that's how most of these cars actually came, because they were commuter cars. So they're supposed to be, you know, cheap and you know, easy on fuel too. So there you go, Nova. Oh man, this is great. Nice Mini Cooper. One of my favorite cars right here. I rode one of these, one of my buddies, when I worked at the Newport Inn back in the 80s. He played for a band called Idle Lavelle. He had a full British flag on top. He took me for a ride in this thing and I was shocked. It's got more room in it than a Volkswagen Bug. You could literally take a turn at 50 miles an hour and it wouldn't even phase it. And this is an S, so it's gonna have the dual carb setup on it. This is the fast one. This is the fun one. Right-hand driver. Look at this little Mini. She is just a beaut. There you go. Beautiful, beautiful car. I really do love this Mini Cooper a lot. Very sweet. Across the way here, we got a 110, 55, baseline card. I wonder if he's got cardboard door cards on. He's probably got a custom interior, but these came with cardboard. low-level door cards. I think he went up. It says it's a Bel Air. Oh, it is a Bel Air. Well, at least it's a hard top. Trim's different on it. Hey, what's going on, Chuck? How you doing, buddy? Look who I just found. Or he found me. Where's your better half?
Oh, she's doing an appointment, real estate.
Oh, very good. Very, very good. Yeah, this thing's sweet. I didn't even realize it was a Bel Air because of the trim on it. Well, guys, I'm continuing on here at Belmont. I ran into one of my buddies, Chuck, so we had a nice long talk. But look at this 75 Cutlass Saloon. These are ones you don't see every day. And man, this is a disco mobile of the highest order. Running the vinyl top, emerald green, pretty badass. Look at this. Oh yeah, it's just, it takes me back to, I was 15,
What year is this?
75. 75, yeah, I was 15 on this thing. 15 years old. It's even got a disco ball. Oh yeah, well, and all of the, that's what I really
I
like.
like that dark pink color. You don't see that.
It looks really original too. I mean, this thing is just beautiful for what it is. I mean, yeah, it's got it all, man. It's got it all.
That's pretty sweet, dude. The tire.
So this is some of the stuff you see here at Belmont Shore.
This is a 350 horsepower. Is that what
Oh God, no. 350. It might be 190 horsepower if you're lucky. In 1975, they had no horsepower at all. They were coming in the small gears and gas saving gears, and the 81 Vet had 189 horsepower.
So it's all about saving on gas.
Saving on gas, and a lot of the pushing controls are really raw the horsepower and everything. So this car here still has to get smaller. So it's got every pushing control on it. Yeah, it's a 49 stater. This is a 49 stater. It's a 49 stater. This says it applies to all the federal regulations. It's a 50 stater. It's all federal. California. So it's an old. It's an Oldsmobile, but it was not originally sold in California. Because it says
What happened to
California. Oh, they're gone.
How did they sell to nowadays?
Yeah, like Pontiac, Bulls, all gone now. So there you go. Enjoy your day. Whoops, I'm still running. This is Patrick here at PCTV, rolling on, talking to a nice gentleman, and we got a beautiful 67 Supersport Nova here. Let's take a look at it and walk on the show. Take care. All right. So beautiful blue here. It's for sale. 909-208-5707. Oh man, she's a gorgeous one. And is it a stick shifter? It sure is. Beautiful. This is just beautiful. 327 factory. This is the one to have. SS 67. Probably all numbers matching car. Unbelievable. Intercity batteries, so they go to Costco. It is a VIN number. It is a full numbers matching Norwood, Ohio production plant car, and it's for sale. This is one of the best ones today. Here's a beautiful 50 Chevy Series 1. And he's got all this nice little wood side railings. He's got the farm style factory protection, but somebody dented his cap there. It is 50. It's a 3600, so it's a one-ton. So this is a big farm truck right here, split windshield. Beautiful front for a Series 1. Well, they're all, I mean, I love the Series 1. This is great looking, but yeah, this is a one-ton. Nice truck. All right, making our way back here. I'm gonna start getting out of here. Got things to do this afternoon. Got a 64 Corvair Monza convertible coming up on this one. Got to take a look at this. Pixie 64, beautiful. Let's see how you got the original interior in here. This thing is dope, man. Look at this. Wow. Yeah, original interior car. Really, really sweet. Nice little Monza. Liking the tri-bars. I wonder whose wheels he's running. Those are pretty dope. Liking those a lot. Corvair Specialties. Really nice overall. Beautiful car. I think we got a 67 right here. Impala convertible. Very, very cool. All colors matching. Colors match the cuffs. She's a full auto. 396 big block. Yeah, beautiful 67 overall. Cars that I always liked. I mean, I'm started out with the 65s, but I love the sheet metal. Love the look of this car overall. Split buckets, automatic, really nice. Private, we got a 69 SS out of Long Beach, all black. Looking mean. This is one tough looking Camaro here. Love the black laydown.
I like it so much.
It's a shifter car. They're pushing pedals and pulling gears on this sucker. Overall, just beautiful. SS, American Racing, torque thrust, original torque thrust, 350 badge car. And it is a really beautiful example. Look at this, guys, a street Baja Cabriolet. This is something I see every day. Baja convertible. It's not quite a Baja, it's not quite a street car, it's somewhere in between. It's got crash bars, got the wood wheel. It's a soft dash car, so I'm guessing it's probably around a 69, maybe a 70. That's bigger lights, I'm gonna go 72. Oh, it's a 68. Okay, that's the first year of the soft bump of the soft dash. And it's got the triple headlights in it, and definitely like a street Baja. Very cool. Take a look over here. It's another big headlight. I'm gonna go 69 on this one. Big tail light, excuse me. The dash has been stripped on it. It's got a big double dent in it. Nice looking. Got the gas door. Yeah, it's a 69. And you can tell because it's an IRS rear end, the axles aren't tipping on it. So you got straight wheels in the back. Also these kind of tri-bar, I don't know what you call these headlights. They're new to me. Pretty cool though. Beautiful 67 square back here. Loving this red. Nice laydown. Cowbug style. Nice alloys. Overall, just beautiful, clean. Sheenberg shifter. Aloha. Great interior. Just overall, just a beautiful square back. This is when they went down to the lower lights here. The front with the turn signals. And this is before it had to have side markers on it. Overall, just a gorgeous square back. Cool. Checking out this Gia right now. Light blue, tan interior, soft dash. There's a 69. Nice Kia. So, yep, it's my bug coverage here for Belmont. Got some flies in it, fading the car. But again, very nice Kia, and let's move on. 62 Cadillac convertible, you guys. This is the last one with fins. And it's a great one. Beautiful red interior. Got it all going on. Oh, and I'm sorry, it's a 61. Wow, beautiful 68 Camaro SS right after that 69 we just looked at. Overall, another great Camaro here, Series 1. A lot of music around here, so I'm gonna have to stop shooting. 61 convertible here. This is the next to last year, the fins. 64 runs, but this is the bottom fin model. 62 has the vertical tail lights. This one has the horizontal tail lights. Take a look at the interior here. Gorgeous overall. Got the headlights for high beams, and I got to turn it off because of the music. All right, look at these wide whites. Beautiful overall. Love this car. 1961. Oh, we got Hook in the house. Rambler wagon. Seeing more and more of Hook at every show. He was at Cruising for Care yesterday, and he's here today. He's got this badass American Rambler. He's just become new to the show here in these recent days, and to the club, I mean. Great guy. We're glad to have him aboard with us. Look at the tuck back on this Chevy small block here. Center pin caps. And this belongs to Hook. So let's go look at Surf City Classic cars right now. All right, finally made it back home. Surf City Classics representing here at Belmont Shores, and we have the world famous Alley Cat in the house, along with Alley Kitten. They're hanging out. Hey guys, I finally made it back. It took me forever. Hi, Karen. All the way down, and I'm going all the way down again. Alley Cat, what's going on, my brother? World famous. Handing out lots of stickers.
Yeah.
What do you think of the show?
Pretty good. Pretty good.
A man of many words today, I can tell.
Oh, the liquor. Oh, you want to?
Oh, wow, look at that. You still got Oreos, though.
Got Oreo.
Wow, I might have to have one of those. Oh, off I go. First of the Surf City Classics and on down the road. Look at this. We got the Dirty Six here. This is a full-blown chalkboard that Robert's come up with. It wasn't his idea. He can't take credit for it, he says, but it's really cool. And kids have a lot of fun. This is a 36, as I said. He found this just bondo, dirty, and rusted. It was a disaster. And he did a copper wash treatment over the steel. He did the lace job here with the Harlequin pattern that Paul at Acme Garage put together for him. So this is his second rat rod. The hem rod has been down now for a year. This is Chrysler fire-powered Hemi. Of course, he's got the Pride block, as he calls it. And it is a shit box. So there you go. The 36 here at Belmont. Then we got the Darlings. Beautiful Tri-5 here. They come down, they're some of my best friends, and I just love them to death. And they're over here sitting in the shade being smart. We got Kale and Clay down with us today. No shanty. Look at the interior on this thing. This is why it wins awards everywhere you go. Motor setup is gorgeous. He does have a top-mounted compressor. And then he's got his alternator down the side. I'm putting my compressor on the wing side over here. My alternator's going to end up about where this one is right now in my truck. That's coming up pretty soon. There you go. There's the Darlings car. Allison and his 62 Jetbird named Miss O after Olivia. And epilepsy is one of the big things. My son, as you know, is an epileptic as long as being autistic. We have a huge group of folks over here, but look at inside Dawn's car. What a piece of perfection here. Beautiful. Look at the rocket wheels. And of course, rocket wheels right here. And then of course, you got Jerry in a 37 Slantback. Awesome, awesome car. Nice to see it out here. I'm surprised he has it here at Belmont, but yeah, because he's very nervous about this car, but beautiful overall. Speaking of Jerry, hey Jerry, what's up?
What's up?
How you doing, buddy? Been walking around all over the place. Admiring your car as always. One of my very favorite cars in the club. Good parking, love it. Across the way is the rest of our group over here. We got Murray, Clifford Murray that is, and he brought his Roadster in 1922, and it's always for sale like everything. Wow, Chuck, you beat me down here. Hey, Surf City Classics, what's up, guys? Yeah, I was talking to this guy for a while. Hey guys, I'm still shooting though. 62 Jetbird here. Factory tonneau, super rare option. This is a handmade fiberglass tonneau that you can order from the factory. And of course, it is a 4-seat car. The back seats on these things, on this is as hard as a rock. They're literally like petrified. The back seats have never been satin in this car. And the tonneau cover's almost been never taken off. This was a garage find that he got out of Huntington Beach. And he bought it for a song, to say the least. And it's just an amazing car. And you don't want to know the actual value of the car is today because it's just crazy. And what a lucky find for him. The car looks beautiful. He didn't have to do much to it to get it to this point. And there you go. Surf City Classics in the house here at Belmont Shores. Patrick PCTV. A lot of music out here. Hopefully this is live music. Another Effie here. Marine Corps Von Dutch. Remembered. Boy, there's a guy. I don't even want to talk about poor Von Dutch. B&M, looking like a big block Chevy. 56. Oh, this is pre-recorded music. Gotta go.